Well, boys, sorry for lack of videos lately, but I don't know, just not in the mood for videos for some reason for the last month or so. But today I'm working on the R5000. I got her all pulled apart here, and the reason I've got her pulled apart is Exhibit A, Mr. Power Switch here. I don't know if you noticed in a couple of my videos in the past that this radio was cutting out, like turn off, on, off, like by itself, and you know, it was getting annoying. So I figured I'd see if I could replace this switch, because it definitely seems to be an issue. When I took the front off, normally they're supposed to be like felt or some kind of film, like a felt between the switches here. Well, that's what's left of it. And it is literally, like, it's not even, it's crushable. Like, I don't, like, the felt is actually just carbonized or something weird. So anyway, so this is the switch that I've got that I'm going to install. Spare one ahead, different one. Well, that's something completely different, but anyway. And Kenwood on this switch is just using the switch as a regular, just toggling it for on or off, power on or off. That's all that one's doing. 6-pin. And I need to remove this from the board. Then I got to take this steel mounting plate off of this switch and transplant it onto this one. Hopefully it's going to work out. But I don't know if it's going to work out or not. But I got a few other switches here kicking around, so I'll figure something out. Anyway, I'll get this switch out there now and see if it solves the problem or not. Okay, so this is the original Kenwood power switch, on-off switch. And like I say, the radio was cutting in and out in regards to power. So I came across this other one, and I crimped this one down. So now we're going to try this switch, solder it to this board, and see what happens. Hopefully this will work out. Okay, so I got the switch remounted. It doesn't seem to be cutting in a root there now. She was doing an awful lot before. I'm going to put it down to that switch right there. Alright. Put her together and hook her up and see if she still does it. I'm going to warm up for a little bit. But, no, seems to be okay there now. She used to do a lot of cutting in, like say, turn it on, turn it off by herself. She used to do a lot of it, sometimes 3 or 4 or 6 times in a row. It's kind of annoying when you're trying to listen to something or decode stuff. So. Seems better there now for sure. Alright. Put her back together there now and hook her up. Well, boys, I've given her a smoke test here for the past hour or so. Hour and a half, and she is solid. She's not losing her power at all. She's staying on. So yeah, swapping out that old power switch solved the problem. This little bugger right there. Anyway, folks, if you have an R5000 and the power keeps coming on and off by itself, just to replace the power switch in the radio. Anyway folks, all the best, thanks for watching, it's 73.